Chainsaw Man 210 release times. Then check out the confirmed release times of Chapter 210 Chainsaw Man in different spindles, including Brasilia time 13H on July 29th. United States, PT 8 a.m. on July 29th. United States, CT 10 a.m. on July 29th. United States, AT 11 a.m. on July 29th. United Kingdom, BST 16H of July 29th. India, IST 8:30 p.m. on July 29th. Japan, JST 0H of July 30th. These times are based on the official schedule of Manga Plus and Shonen Jump platforms. In addition, both provide reading free and coolly, with English translation. What to expect from Chapter 210? Although official details have not yet been revealed, speculation points out that the new chapter may explain how nuclear weapons have been reintroduced into the world. This may be directly linked to Denji's risk of death or a possible unfolding of Pachita's powers. In addition, with the defeat of Falling Devil, it is possible for the Famine Devil or even Death Devil to appear for the first time.